Good morning, dear students, and welcome to e-learning module produced by Netaji Subhas Mahavidyalaya, Kuldibari, Coach Bihar. Dear students, today I will talk about the important characters, or almost all the characters in the novel Pride and Prejudice, which has been written by Jane Austen. Dear students, at the very beginning, I have said to you that the novel for the first time was published having a different title. That title is First Impression. So, dear students, remember the first title that was used, that is First Impression. Now, what are the important characters? Dear students, all the characters are important, but here are some characters which play some very significant roles, and these are Mr. Bennet and Mrs. Bennet. Who is Mr. Bennet? Mr. Bennet, the patriarch of Bennet family. Mr. Bennet is a gentleman of modest income with 5 unmarried but marriageable daughters. He has a sarcastic and cynical sense of humor that he uses to purposefully irritate his wife. Though he loves his daughter, he often fails as a parent, preferring to withdraw rather than offer help. Mrs. Bennet, to some extent, is poles apart to Mr. Bennet. Mr. Bennet's wife, Mrs. Bennet, is a foolish and noisy woman whose only goal in her life is to see her daughters well married. Because of her low breeding and often unbecoming behavior, she often repels the very suitors whom she tries to attract for her daughter. So, Mr. Bennet and Mrs. Bennet are the father and mother of our heroine, Elizabeth Bennet. Then comes the eldest daughter, Miss Jane Bennet, or Jane, the eldest and the most beautiful Bennet sister. She is more reserved and gentler than Elizabeth. The easy pleasantness with which she and Mr. Bingley interact contrast starkly with the encounters between Darcy and Elizabeth. Elizabeth Bennet, the second daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Bennet, is Elizabeth Bennet. Elizabeth is the most intelligent and sensible of the 5 Bennet sisters. She is quick-witted, with a tongue that occasionally proves too sharp for her own good, especially as she behaves with Mr. Darcy. Miss Mary Bennet, the middle Bennet sister, is Mary Bennet. Mary is bookish and pedantic. Then Catherine Bennet, or Cathy, the 4th Bennet sister, is Catherine, and like Lydia, she is girlishly enthralled with the soldiers stationed nearby. Miss Lydia Bennet, the youngest Bennet sister, is Lydia Bennet. Lydia is gossipy, immature, and she is also self-involved. Unlike Elizabeth, Lydia flings herself headlong into romance and ends up eloping with Mr. Wickham. Charles Bingley, Darcy's considerable wealthy best friend, is Mr. Bingley, Charles Bingley. Mr. Bingley is genial, well-intentioned gentleman. His easygoing nature contrasts with Darcy's initially discourteous demeanor. He is blissfully uncaring about the class difference. Fitzwilliam Darcy, remember, he is the hero. He is a wealthy gentleman and the nephew of Lady Catherine de Boroughs. Mr. Darcy is intelligent and honest, but his pride causes him to look down on his social inferiors. Over the course of the play, he tempers his class consciousness and learns to admire and love Elizabeth for her strong character. Mr. George Wickham. Wickham, as his name suggests, he is a wicked man. He is handsome. He is a fortune hunting militia officer. Mr. Wickham initially attracts Elizabeth. However, she soon suspects his motives, and he in the end runs away or elope with Lydia, the sister of Elizabeth. Miss Charlotte Lucas, daughter of Sir William and Lady Lucas and friend of Bennet girls. Charlotte marries Mr. Collins after a very quick courtship. Mr. Collins, a pompous clergyman and cousin to the Bennets. Collins stands to inherit the Bennet property. He takes great pains to let everyone know that Lady Catherine de Boroughs serves as his patroness. Miss Caroline Bingley. Mr. Bingley's Snowy's sister is Caroline Bingley. Caroline bears inordinate disdain for the Bennet family's middle class background. He looks down upon the entire Bennet family. She looks down upon the entire Bennet family. Lady Catherine de Boroughs. Lady Catherine de Boroughs is a rich, bossy noblewoman, and she is aunt to Mr. Darcy. Lady Catherine epitomizes class snobbery, especially in her attempt to ward the middle class Elizabeth away from her well-bred nephew. Anne de Boroughs, daughter of Lady Catherine de Boroughs, is Anne de Boroughs. She is sickly. She is very thin. Georgiana Darcy. Georgiana Darcy is the sister of Mr. Darcy. Georgiana is immensely pretty and just as shy. Lady Lucas, wife of Sir William Lucas and friend to the Bennets. Mrs. Reynolds. Mrs. Reynolds is Darcy's housekeeper. Sir William Lucas. Sir William Lucas is an affable knight and friend to the Bennets. Colonel Fitzwilliam. Colonel Fitzwilliam is a cousin of Mr. Darcy and nephew of Lady Catherine de Boroughs. Mr. Gardiner. Mr. Gardiner is the brother of Mrs. Bennet. And dear student, you will remember that Mr. Gardiner and Mrs. Gardiner, husband and wife, helped a lot to trace out the whereabouts of Lydia and Wickham. Mrs. Gardiner. Mrs. Gardiner is the wife of Mr. Gardiner. Mr. Gardiner and Mr. Gardiner, husband and wife, held when Wickham eloped with immature Lydia. Dear students, these characters are very important and you will remember the name of these characters and their functions and their relationship with each other. And these characters are very important, especially from the point of view of exam. Thank you and enjoy reading.